Hey guys, I'm Ryan with Shaboardz, and I just wanted to check in and give you guys an update and let you know where we're at headed into a busy riding season this spring and this summer. We've got some upgraded products available on the website now. We've also got some new products available on the website. So let's start out with the new product that we have, and we've got a new budget board, the Day Tripper. This board features a 7.5 amp hour battery. We've got a dual hub motor setup, quiet, efficient, enough power to get you up those small and medium sized hills in your neighborhood. This is a great board for anybody, for a beginner, anyone looking to hop on an electric longboard for a cheap price. We've got you covered right here with the budget board. You can get on this model for $800 plus tax. The stock model comes with polyurethane wheels, but the sleeves on the hub motor slide on and off, so you can upgrade to the all-terrain version. And we've got the AT version available on the product page for $929 plus tax. And then if you want to go further up, we've got a 10 amp hour battery available on the product page as well. So you can purchase this model with a couple of different upgrades. They're available on the product page. Check it out. So moving on to the upgraded boards that we have this year, we're really excited about Summit V3 and Summit XT V2. So the Summit series have huge upgrades this year. Let's just start out with the things we kept on Summit V3. We've got the flexible bamboo deck. It's in black now. We've got the airless all-terrain wheels, 6-inch, no maintenance. That's the big thing with these wheels, right? We also kept the DKP trucks, the double kingpin trucks, very responsive. So moving on to the upgrades that we're really excited about. We've got a 12S battery using 21700 cells. We've got a 35 amp ESC, and we've got 6370 motors, 2800 watts each. So, I mean, the performance on this board has increased substantially. You're going to be able to climb steeper hills. You're going to be able to accelerate faster. You're going to get a higher top speed. Okay, you're going to love this board, and it's a great price at $13.99 plus tax. You can select through 3 different wheel colors. We've got a pink wheel color available. We've also got black available, and as you see here, the yellow. And I mean, the great thing about the Summit Series boards is they're 2-in-1 boards. So you can customize these boards how you want. You can put the wheels you want on this board and that board. You want to change the pulley size and increase the acceleration or increase the top speed on these boards by changing the pulleys. You can do that, okay? So these boards are extremely customizable and give the customers so many options and can really help you make your board stand out. And lucky for you guys, we have so many different wheel kits available on our website this year. All the wheel kits come with pulleys, belts, extra tubes in the pneumatic wheels. But let's jump into the wheel kits a little bit later in this video. Because I'm going to jump into Summit XT V2 now and some of the big upgrades that we're going to see on this board. So this year we're using an upgraded Samsung 50S battery pack that's going to give the board higher output, okay? So we've also got a 45 amp ESC, higher output. We've got dual 6374 motors, 3,500 watts each. So the performance on this board has also substantially increased. You're way more torque. So hill climbing ability, you're going to power up any of those hills in your neighborhood or anywhere. You're going to reach the top speed faster. So faster acceleration, more torque. You're going to have a higher top speed. You're going to get a 56 to 57 kilometer an hour top speed on this board, and that's with the stock 150 millimeter Hoda wheels. Just going into this wheel choice a little bit more. Last year we used the 155s. That had like an off-road tread pattern, and sometimes when customers would ride at high speeds on pavement with that wheel, you'd feel some vibration. So this wheel, less distinct tread pattern and lower profile. So vibration gone. Going to be a smoother ride at high speeds, but you can also ride off-road. You can also ride off-road with these wheels, and in fact, pneumatic wheels provide the smoothest ride off-road available. So high speeds, right? We want stability when we're getting up to above 50 kilometers an hour, 56, 57. You know, if you change out to smaller wheels, smaller pulleys on this board, you're going to get even a higher top speed. Okay, so with that in mind, we want stability at those high speeds. So we went with a traditional kingpin truck. Little bit less responsive than the DKPs, but it's going to provide riders with that stability when you're getting up in speed. And we need that, okay? It's safe, and it can really help you push the limits and really help you feel safer when you're up in those speeds. We're using a 55T CNC pulley. And the thought there was, last year we used a 66T pulley. We wanted to get more torque on that board by using a larger pulley. This year the board has enough torque. We're using a higher output battery. We're using a higher output ESC. So we went with a smaller pulley so we can pump out a higher top speed. So we're using the same durable carbon fiber deck. You guys, I believe you guys have seen me flick this deck off like a 10-foot ledge or a 8-foot ledge onto the concrete. I hopped down, got on, rode it away again. Hopefully there's going to be a video coming soon of me riding over this thing in my car. The deck is that durable. You're not going to break this thing, okay? And it has a weight capacity of 340 pounds. Great for bigger riders. Okay, so let's move on to the Mountainboard. Mountainboard, I mean, so the thing I love the most about the Mountainboard is the Mountainboard trucks and how they're spring loaded. Basically, that deck is balancing on those springs, and the board itself is so responsive. It just feels like you're floating on a cloud. Not very many changes to this board this year. We've still got the 10 amp hour battery. We've got a 25 amp ESC. This is basically a beginner mountain board, okay? This is for people who want to get on their first electric skateboard, electric longboard, electric mountain board, and they want to ride off-road, okay? They want to ride on grass, gravel, dirt. These big wheels, these mountain board trucks give you the ability to do that and feel comfortable doing that, okay? It's going to provide a smooth ride off-road. So, I mean, not too many upgrades to this board this year, but it's a solid option for beginners looking to get out and ride on some trails. We've got some new bindings on there, guys. They're much like snowboard bindings, so they're adjustable. You can tighten them up just like that. You can loosen them, okay? So a little bit easier to use. We got some foam grip tape on there too. So just a little bit of a cooler design on top of the deck there. Wheel kits, guys. Okay, so I mean, we have so many wheel kits available. I don't know if you checked out the wheel kits section on our website yet, but we've got the earless all-terrains, 4 different colors. We've got we have so many options for wheel kits. We have some of these. We've got the regular longboard wheels. We've got those in pink. We got those in black. They have a 78A durometer. They're wide. You know, you're not going to break traction on these wheels. They're a great choice for riding on the street. So we also have some, we've got some 175 millimeter Sunmate pneumatics on there as well. I mean, if you want, you purchase the Summit or the Summit XT, you can put these bigger pneumatics on these boards. These are going to provide a really smooth ride off-road. It's a bigger wheel, right? And then we've got the 155 millimeter, 150 millimeter Sunmates. We have 150 millimeter Hodas. We have 155 millimeter Hodas. Those are all in pneumatics, okay? So we have a wide variety of pneumatic wheels available, but also airless wheels available. and tons of all-terrain wheels available. All the wheel kits come with pulleys, belts, the 4 wheels, and then the pneumatic wheels all come with extra tubes. So if you get a flat, you can change it out. We've got the video on YouTube for you to check out how to change out tubes, how to change out belts, how to change out all those things, okay? Hey guys, we're really excited for this season. We're really excited for the upgrades and the new boards, the Day Tripper. You know, there's more announcements, big announcements coming soon. So stay tuned, stay locked into the channel. And my name's Ryan. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. Call 604-250-9039. You're going to be speaking directly to me. And I'm always reachable. It's easier to reach me by phone, giving me a call, rather than messaging the Facebook or messaging on Instagram or wherever else. Just give me a call. I'll answer any of the questions that you guys have. And yeah, let's go from there. Hey, have a great season. Whether you're riding with us or not, I hope you enjoy your riding this season.